Welcome back to Tech Pro Hardware. Today we're going to be talking about the YesCam 4-channel wireless CCTV. This is a wireless system, easy to set up, that has a 12-inch color monitor and a hard drive built in. No subscription cost, and this thing is just crazy for the price. Thanks to the 12-inch screen, this kit includes everything you're ever going to need. Has 4 cameras. It records 24 hours. They're wireless, so the only thing you need is to power these individual cameras. There's no audio, but if you don't need that, this kit is a great value at $389 US. The range you can expect will vary depending on walls and how many other factors you have in the building that you're doing these in, but I found between 60 and 80 feet you're not going to have any problems with the signal whatsoever. In terms of the display, it isn't a touch screen, but it does come with a mouse and an on-screen layout keyboard that you can use during all of your inputs. I found this system very easy to use, very easy to set up. There are 2 ways that you can record with this system. You can do motion recording, which is a great option, or you can do continuous recording as well to make sure you capture everything. But one great thing about this system is you can do continuous and motion recording together. This system supports multiple connectivity with Android and iOS, and you have the choice of 2 apps from YesCamo, but they recommend IP Pro 3 for Android and another system for iOS. I think this is a good thing though, because YesCamo doesn't control these software packages and they are controlled generically by other third-party vendors, so you should have support going forward. As I unboxed the camera, I was shocked at how well this thing is built. I must say I was not expecting a steel frame chassis and tilt functions, but this thing is built like a tank and is going to survive any kind of weather. Included in the package is everything you're going to need for these systems, including your power cables and everything that you're basically going to make sure to hook this thing up correctly with, including Ethernet cables if you want to do that, all the screws, all the bolts. And this thing here is very interesting. This is an extended antenna for one of the cameras. So if you happen to have a area that's a long way away, you should be able to use that antenna and get a better signal. Please make sure to check in the description below for more details on this system. I'm going to upload some video of how this thing works a little later on. I just wanted to get this unboxing and let you guys know that this system is very good. I want to sum this video up by saying that this is a great value system at the $389 price point. You're getting a 4-channel CCTV system, 4 cameras. They're wireless, and the video quality is absolutely stunning at 1080p. Of course, there's no audio, but for what you're buying this for, you really can't beat it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, and I'll see you later.